Guys, today I am going to tell you the use of GT button on your calculator. So guys, it's very simple. This button, the main purpose for this button is grand total. So to make the big calculations very simple, normally we use this button. So for example, I will show you how. For example, you have these calculations: 6 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5 plus 7 multiplied by 8. These are the answer, then you have to add them, and this will be the final answer. This will be the grand total. So if you do this on paper, or even if you do these steps on calculator one by one, it's gonna consume your so much time. So if you use the GT button, it will make it very simple. So I will show you how. For example, I'm gonna do this calculation on calculator, and I will show you. 6 multiplied by 2 equal 3 multiply by 5 equal, then I'm gonna do the 7 multiply by 8 equal. So guys, without doing the next step, which is this one, I'm just simply do the GT button. Simply press the GT button. So guys, here you see that's our answer. I avoid this step. I also avoid adding on calculator, because if I'm gonna do these all step on the calculator, the answer will be wrong. So by the use of GT button, first thing, your time consuming is less, and the second thing, the answer is correct. I'm gonna repeat this again to make it very clear for you. For example, if you do this plus in the calculator, it will give you the wrong answer. So I'm not gonna do that step. I'm gonna repeat the first step. For example, 6 multiplied by 2 equal 12. Then next, 3 multiplied by 5 equal 15. Then I'm gonna do 7 multiplied by 8 equal 56. Then I'm gonna press the GT button. So guys, here is your answer. So I hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, share my video. Thank you very much.